Tesla rebuilds Autopilot self-driving robotics department. Tesla is looking to add more employees to its Autopilot, self-driving, and robotics departments after it used widespread layoffs over the past few months to eliminate positions and reserve cash for its short-term business planning. Tesla started eliminating people from its workforce in April as it downsized to prepare for a downturn in economic conditions, finding itself between two growth periods as it prepared to launch the new robotaxi platform. Tesla had to make tough choices, and over 10% of its global workforce of roughly 140,000 people was let go. However, as mentioned in the Elon Musk biography released last year, Tesla's strategy for layoffs is to let go of people until the company needs to hire some of them back. If there is not enough pain from the layoffs, then not enough people are let go. It has evidently terminated enough employees in its Autopilot robotics department, as jobs were listed yesterday. After removing all job postings in North America 1 month ago, Tesla has just posted new job listings in the Autopilot robotics category. All other categories still show no job listings outside of start program opportunities, basically an intern. Tesla's Autopilot and robotics group is arguably the most crucial in its business, especially as the company is now preparing for the robotaxi unveiling on August 8. With such a groundbreaking and crucial project in the works, it is important to note that this could be the most robust portion of the business, and many firms have this factored into the astronomical price targets. Tesla also started rehiring some of its supercharger team earlier this month. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.